When a new realtor arrives in the agency, you need to create a profile that will allow him to connect to Apimo. For this, go to Agency and then Users. You will find here the list of users already activated in your company. To create a new one, click at the plus sign on the top right corner. You only have to fill in the different information such as the last name, first name, birth date, contact details, but also name as well as password. The password needs to be typed twice to avoid mistakes, and if you wish it to be temporary, tick the box. By default, you will create an agent account, but other profiles are disposal, and that implicates different authorizations and rights. Click on the question mark on the top right corner for more information. To finish, other settings can be added, such as the sector that the profile is attached to, the time zone and its user reference. It will be automatically filled in when you have decided to automate your listing references. Don't forget that your profile photo might be public and seen by your clients, and so it should be carefully selected.